In this lecture, we are going to work on this reviews page. Come to product routes, and this reviews only admin can access, as well as only admin can delete the reviews. So what we will do here, we will be passing admin, and then we will be passing role based access. I will copy this complete thing. Inside this I will be pasting. Then for this delete also, I will copy and paste. Why? Because only admin can delete the review. So that is the reason we are going to pass this verify user auth and role based access. Now after changing the path, come to admin slice, and inside this here, while fetching the API, I will be passing admin, and then I will open dashboard.jsx. Inside this, we are having all reviews. When I click on this, I should be redirected to admin reviews. In this lecture, we are going to work on this review list, and whatever admin products we are having, we will display inside the table, and we will be creating this static structure. For that, close all the files. Inside this admin folder, I will be creating reviews list.jsx. I will pass RFCE. Inside this, I will be passing the text as reviews. Now this route, I have to define inside app.jsx. Below this, copy. Here, what I have to pass? I have to pass admin/reviews. If I am having this path, then I'm just going to render this reviews list. Save, come to project, click on this all reviews. Here we are having admin/reviews, and inside this I am having the text reviews. Close this. Below this, import the style sheet. From this admin styles, we will import this reviews list.css. From here, remove. Here we will be using fragments. Inside this, we will render navbar. Then we will render footer. And finally, above this, we will be passing page title. And for this, we will give the title prop. Inside this, we will pass all reviews. And for importing, we have not got any suggestion. So I'm just going to open update order status. From here, I will copy all these three imports. Copy and paste. Save this. Come to project. Title is changed. I'm having navbar and I'm having footer. Right click and format this document. Now first, we will be working on the table where we will display all the products. So here I will create div, and for this I will give the class as reviews list container. Inside this I will be creating h1, and for this I will give the class as reviews list title, inside which I will be passing all products. Below this I will be creating table, and for this I will give the class as reviews table. Inside this, create table head. Then I will be creating table row, and in total I need 5 table headings. First, I will be passing serial number. Second, I will pass product name. Third, I will be passing product image. Fourth, I will pass number of reviews. And last thing, I will be passing action. Save this. Come to project. You can see I am having all products and the table is rendered. In our demo, I have given product reviews. Whatever heading you want, you can give that heading. Below this, I will be creating table body. Inside this, I will be creating table row. And in total, I need 5 table data. As of now, let us render dummy data. 1. Product name, I will pass mobile. Product image, here I will be passing image, and inside this I will pass mobile. Then here I will also pass the class name. Class name I will write product image. Then next we have to pass number of reviews. I will give 3, and inside this action I will be creating button. For this I will give the class as action BTN as well as view BTN. And inside this, I will give view reviews. Save. Come here. You can see successfully I am able to render this dummy data. Now below this, I have to create another table for displaying all the reviews of product. Let me come to editor. So this is my table where we are going to display all the products. Now below this table, I will create one div for which I will give the class as reviews details. Inside this, I will write H2 text. I will be passing reviews for product. Copy from here and inside this paste. Below this, I will be creating table. Class, I will pass reviews table. Then table head. Inside this table row, and in total I need 5 table headings. So first one, I will be passing serial number. Second, reviewer name, which user has given the review, their name I will display. Then what rating they have given, that we are going to show. What comment they have given, that we are going to render. And finally, we will be passing action. And below this table head, we will create table body, create table row, and in total we need 5 table data. Let us pass dummy data. Serial number 1, reviewer name Khanam, rating I have given 4, comment I will be passing good product, and finally inside this action I will be creating one button. For this I will give the class as action BTN as well as delete BTN. And inside this, I'm just going to render this delete icon. Now save. Come to project. You can see successfully I am able to render this static structure for product table and reviews table. Now what I will do, whatever products I am having in my application, all the products I am going to display inside the table. And for that, we have already created the API for fetching all admin products. Now here, I'm just going to access the state const. I will access products. Then I will access loading, and also I'm just going to access error. I will be using this use selector hook, and from where I have to access? I have to access from admin state. Below this, I will create the variable dispatch, and for this I'm just going to assign use dispatch hook. Here I will be creating use effect, pass this callback function, and then I will be passing dependency array, inside which I'm just going to pass dispatch. Here what we have to dispatch? We have to dispatch fetch admin products. Let me open admin slice. Now you can see we have created the function, and using this we are just fetching all the admin products. So inside this we will pass fetch admin products, hit enter, action will be dispatched. Now below this I will log products, save, come to application, inspect this. Now in total we are having 5 products, so 5 data will be rendered. Now in place of displaying in console, what we will do, entire data we are going to display in JSX. Before that, we will handle error. I will open home.jsx, copy this complete use effect, and inside this paste. I will only access error, remove last letter, toast will be imported, remove last letter, remove errors will be imported from admin slice. And inside dependency array, we will pass dispatch and error. And here what we will do, this entire thing we will wrap in JavaScript mode, and then we will be wrapping in parentheses. Above this we will pass these fragments, copy, cut, and below this paste. And here we will check for the condition. If loading is through, then what we have to do, we have to render this loader component. And finally, after handling both loading error, now we are going to handle this products. Remove log, come to this first table, And inside this, we are having this complete table row. This entire table row, we will wrap in curly braces. And here, we are just going to loop through this products map method. And inside this parenthesis, I will just pass this complete table row. Copy and paste. Now in total, I am having 5 products. So 5 times this data will be rendered. Now argument, I will be passing product. And second, I will be passing index. For this table row, I will pass the key. Inside this product, we will have the property underscore ID. We are just going to access. Next, for serial number, I will pass index plus 1. Then we are having product name. So from this product, we will access name. And for this SRC, I will remove and I will be having multiple images. So from there, what I will do, from this product, I will access 0th index image. And from there, I'm just going to access URL. Copy this complete product name and inside this Alt paste. And next we have to pass number of reviews. Remove this. I will pass product. Let me come here, inspect. And inside this, for number of reviews, we are having this property. I will copy and inside this paste. Save this, come to project. Now you can see successfully I am able to access all the information, product name, product image, number of reviews, and finally we are having this view reviews button. But above this, we will also check for the condition. If we are not having any products in the application, then we do not have to render this complete tables. Instead, above this, we will check for the condition. If we are not having any products or our products dot length is equal to 0, then what we will do, we are just going to return this container. I will copy this div. I will create div. For this, I will give the class as reviews list container. Inside this, I will pass h1. I will give the class as reviews list title. Title I will be passing admin reviews. And finally, below this, I will create paragraph for which I will give the text as no product found. So in this way, I'm just going to render this message. If you are not having any products and if our products dot length is equal to 0, then simply render this text. Now let me come to admin dashboard, all orders. Now we are having orders. The orders table will be rendered. Now if I click on all reviews, successfully I am able to fetch all the product information. And here we are having this two table for product and product reviews.